about to blow your mind with what is possible with generative video today, August 2025. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into HeyGen. I'm going to create a virtual clone of myself and have it say some really crazy stuff. Hey there, Craig Hewitt. Welcome back to 100 Days of AI. Today, we're diving deep into generative video, and something that I think really could be a big trend in the future is brands having their own virtual avatar that does a lot of the marketing. So instead of me getting on and doing this for YouTube, you're going to have a virtual version of yourself representing yourself and a brand. And today we're going to do exactly that. We're going to create a clone of me in HeyGen and have it say some things that really represent me. So let's just get to it. So here in HeyGen, I've created my account. I have upgraded to a paid plan, and we're going to create our first avatar. So you see I did a crappy one yesterday as a demo. I shouldn't have done that, but I did. We're going to create a new one, and we're going to create a digital twin. You also can create one from just a photograph. I would suppose these are not as accurate, but you could. But we're going to do one as a digital twin, and I'm going to have to record some video. I'm going to have to do a disclaimer, and we're going to get into that. So create your digital twin in minutes. Watch the video. I'm not going to watch the video. So what do we need? We need a nice looking studio, good lights, a nice camera, things like this. And we're going to record at least 30 seconds and up to 2 minutes. And I'm going to do that here in just a second. You can either upload content that you already have. If you have like strict talking head stuff, it has to be between 2 and 10 minutes. So just so you know, like don't go upload a whole hour-long podcast episode or something, because you really need to be looking at the camera the whole time. And when I do this, I'll move the mic out of the way so it's just me. You also can just record right here and now, which is what we're going to do, and I'm going to do that now. So I'll select the proper camera, and I have the right mic selected already. Okay, so I'm going to move my mic out of the way a bit, which is going to make this video sound not as good, but for this purpose, I just want it out of the frame. Okay, and so I'm just going to record about 2 minutes of me just talking about myself. Okay. So this is a good example. I'm having to configure the microphone to make sure it's using the right one. And let's see if this works now. Nope, let's refresh the screen. Record. It's all about permissions. Okay, so you can see this is picking up my microphone. Great, I'm just gonna stand up a little taller, and I'm just gonna talk for about 2 minutes, and we'll fast forward this. I hope that was funny. Okay, now that we're done with that, go to the next step, and we just have to do this bit of disclaimer to say, hey, yep, I am this person, and I authorize this. So we're going to record this little bit here. I, Craig Hewitt, hereby allow HeyGen to do this. And I'm going to record this. It's counting down on the screen here, and I'll just say this, and we'll fast forward again. And that should be it. So now it's going to take a couple seconds here to validate this, and we'll just fast forward until it's validated, and we'll go on to the next step. And once we have our virtual avatar, we can just put in a script that I created using ChatGPT, and it will represent me and have a video of me. So you can see how really pretty easy this is. You need a good camera. You need good lights. You know, that's one thing for my podcasting background is just a regular webcam, which is what I have here, is good. But you need good lights and a nice background to make a shot like this really important, really good. Okay, so we're done. It said it was mostly good. I wasn't looking at the camera the entire time, but I think that's fine. And it says our avatar is being created. Great, so I'll go to done. And what are we going to call this? Craig in studio, because the one I created yesterday, I was on vacation and it wasn't very good. So that's why we're creating another one today. And this is in the studio. So when I go create new videos from this, it's going to look just like I do here, hopefully. You know, there's a couple of YouTube channels that I watch that this is all they do. So they have the person talking kind of like I am probably right now in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And then they're screencasting an N8N workflow or something in Lindy or ChatGPT or Notebook LM, which is a video I'm working on right now. And to be honest, I'm thinking about it because right now I'm a pretty small version over in the corner of the screen. I don't necessarily need to be here doing this every time. The much more important thing is me screen sharing what I'm doing and showing y'all how to use AI tools. Me personally being real time on the screen is not as important. So I was just on vacation. If I was organized, I would have gotten my virtual avatar ready the week before, and I could have just done the screencast, you know, on vacation and not like had my nice setup like this, and then just had my virtual avatar narrate and act out the person version of things just for the bit in the bottom corner. So it's just something for you as like a content creator. That might be an angle that you consider, is like have your virtual avatar represent you when you're doing screen shares, because it's not as big of a thing as like a full screen part of it. Okay, so you can see here in just a couple of minutes, our virtual avatar is almost ready. We're going to fast forward here until it's ready, and then we'll drop in the script that we have. Okay, now our virtual avatar is ready, and we're going to click check it out to open it.
Your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Wow, that looks a lot like me. I'm not going to lie. So cool. What are we wanting to do? Supercharge your content calendar with videos, personalized messages. Cool. Okay, so we're just going to skip through all this, and we're going to create a video. I need to verify my digital twin to use it in videos. So let's see. If we go back to avatars. Okay, great. So avatar.
Your hyper-realistic avatar.
Cool. Gesture. Okay, great. Awesome. I'll need to verify my digital twin. I don't know how. That's the thing. Edit? No. It might just take time. Yeah, I will say I found like HeyGen to be kind of buggy like this. Okay, so we'll just try it this way maybe. Okay, so back from the home page, we're going to create a new video. And we're going to choose to do it in portrait mode. And instead of the stock person, we're going to choose one of our own. And we'll select ourselves here. And we'll use the voice that we just created. Great. And then I have this little script over here, just that everything that ChatGPT knows about me, which is a lot if you're anything like me. Okay, so this is the script I just put in. And let's click generate. All right, let's click preview and see what it says.
Hi, I'm Craig Hewitt. I'm a founder, coach, and AI entrepreneur who's been building and growing.
So I think in the preview, the lip sync part is not available. So that's cool. Just from the bit of that, I think that's good. We're going to go ahead and generate. About Craig Hewitt. Okay, so this is going to take a few minutes to render, and once it does, we'll play it back and it'll be ready. Okay, our video is ready. Let's take a look. And we'll click play.
I'm Craig Hewitt. I'm a founder, coach, and AI entrepreneur who's been building and growing businesses for more than a decade. I started my career as a founder in the podcasting space. building Castos,
I think it's pretty good.
podcast hosting and production companies. That journey taught me how to scale a business, lead teams, and stay profitable while navigating constant change. These days, I split my time between.
My take on things like HeyGen and generative video as of today, so I'm recording this August 2025, is it's incredible, right? Is it great for prime time? Is this going to replace me being on the camera like this in my studio? No. But if you are traveling a lot, if you're not great on camera, if you don't like doing this, can you take one time and go to a studio, record something like I did to train the model, and then just use great script writing, great visuals in a screen share, and create really great looking stuff? Yeah, you absolutely can. There's a YouTube channel that I actually follow that has like 25,000 subscribers that's entirely AI generated. They do screen shares of really cool AI automations and marketing stuff, and it's entirely AI generated for the little person bubble in the bottom right corner of the screen. I think the social acceptability of this is really going to change a lot over the next couple of years. And the other thing to remember, like all AI tools, is this is the worst it's ever going to get. Things like HeyGen are only going to get better. Generative video is only going to get better. You know there's going to be bad things that come of it, like deep fakes of celebrities and actors saying really terrible things. But for you and I as founders and entrepreneurs and marketers and creative people, can we use this to supplement the real creative work they're already doing? I think the answer is absolutely yes. And you definitely should be looking at this, whether you're using it in prime time for like production ready marketing work. I don't know. I think I might supplement some of the things I do with this. I might also train HeyGen a little more on more of my content, kind of spice it up with more gestures, more vocal intonations. I might remake my avatar. But you can see going from 0 to having a fully produced, minute and a half video here took about 5 minutes of actual work for me and about 10 or 15 minutes of HeyGen, compiling the video. So if you haven't checked out HeyGen and generative video, I definitely recommend it. There might be a place that it slots into your AI and content workflow right now, but there definitely will be in the future. I'm Craig Hewitt. This is 100 Days of AI. I hope you're enjoying. If you are, please like, subscribe, smash the bell, share this with a friend so other people can get inspired and learn and educate and move themselves forward as AI is becoming more and more commonplace and important in our lives and in society. And I'll see you tomorrow.